Okay, we're back at Seq.out first tee, fourth hole. This is a par 5. You can easily get an alibi on this hole, which is big points. Alright, we got a 2-mile-per-hour wind blowing away from us to the right with that tree in the way. The pin is hiding behind that tree, I believe. And it is. Perfect example where I could show you how to use 2 variation shots here. But what I'm going to do first is show you the first one that I generally use no matter where the pin is. We got a 2-mile-per-hour wind blowing to the left, so it's going to be a little tricky. On this hole, I like to use a focus drink. That's an item. That's the 4th drink all the way to the right because it makes the meter go very slow. So you can get to line to get right past that tree. But what we're going to do, since it says 24.2 down, it's never really down that much. You always want to line up your 24.2 is right at the edge of that green. So what we want to do is land perfectly. You see how that tree's in the way? You want to do a focus drink for sure, because you can hit that tree. But this is all we want to do right here, line to line. And then I'll show you another shot we can use on this too. If we have a 3-mile-per-hour wind blowing out to the right, I'll show you another shot that we use. Okay, so we're going to do line to line. And it's right on the green. And this is for an alibi, so definitely use a guide. I'm going to break it for right about there. It's slanting to the left a little, if you see the ball lie. And then it's 0-0. I'm going to go right at the line or a little bit over. I should have went a little harder. If I went a little harder, it would have went in. I always go a little harder than the 0.0. I don't go dead at the line. I go a little bit over. But this will get us in for an eagle. So you definitely have an alibi no matter what. So now I'm going to show you again with a hook shot. It's going to be the same hole. Hopefully the pin placement is the same way and the wind's blowing the same way. It should be. Okay, yes it is. So what we're going to do for a second shot here that you could use, if you're too wary of that tree, skill shot. We want to do draw shot, first one. What we'll do here is, since the wind's blowing 2 miles out to the left there, you want to come over this way more. Because it's going to straighten out, pretty much. So right about there, you see how that is? With a 2-mile-per-hour wind out, this should get us right on the green. Line to line. And it's just going over a little bit. I could have hit it a little less, so that was my mistake there. But it's a general idea. Now you can either chip or pitch it, or putt it from here. We'll putt it. You got a better chance of making it. It's a 0.1 going down, but since you're in a kind of roughy area, you want to go right at the line. It's in for alibi. And that's that. It's pretty simple.